Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit messages on Telegram desktop. If you've made a typing mistake or want to update a message after sending it, Telegram allows you to edit your messages easily. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and open the chat where you sent the message. Find the message you want to edit. Remember, you can only edit messages that you have sent yourself. Now right-click on your message. A menu will appear on the screen. Click on the Edit option. The message will become editable, and you can change the text however you want. You can correct spelling mistakes, add more information, or completely rewrite the message. After making your changes, press Enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon to save the edited message. Telegram will instantly update the message in the conversation. You'll also notice a small edited label next to the message, which indicates that the message has been modified. Editing messages is very useful when you send something by mistake or need to update information without sending a new message. It keeps your conversation cleaner and more organized. That's how you can edit messages on Telegram desktop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.